Kidder, Morton, Oliver, Sheridan, Sioux, and Wells. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 512, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Dakota: Burley, Emmons, Grant, Kidder, Morton, Oliver, Sheridan, Sioux, and Wells. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Whoa. Whoa. No way. No way. So this is KYYY 92.9 FM or Mix 92.9. And just for context, I'm receiving this station, which is in Bismarck, North Dakota, from North Carolina. So we're talking from me being in the southeast to me receiving the station through ESKIP, all the way out in the northern plains. Now, using my Sangean HDR14 here, which I recently got, I've spent a few minutes now, of scanning about certain stations on the frequency band to see what it is that I would get throughout certain parts of the country. I mean, and this isn't too much of a list, but so far, at least as of filming this, I've gone on to confirm 2 stations in North Dakota and 1 station in Minnesota. Just as of filming, though I will catch more after ending this. But one thing that I absolutely did not see coming, me actually even having a chance to receiving a station through ESKIP for an EAS alerts, and this being for a severe thunderstorm watch out in North Dakota, relayed through NOAA Weather Radio station WXL78 for the Bismarck area. So I absolutely did not see this coming. Like, even just aside from just me getting the station all the way out of North Dakota. Like, I've caught stations through ESKIP before, but never would I ever think to myself that I would have a chance of receiving a station through ESKIP and then having that opportunity to end up receiving an EAS alert for it. Like, I'm just startled here. I just can't believe it. I really can't. But, yeah.